Hi friends. Today topic is nested object. And before we have to start our day 3 session, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Most of the people are watching the videos, but it is not subscribe. Please watch our YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like, share, comment. And how is the video? You can like it. Please like and share comments. You can update the comments also how the video. Okay. uh, if I am seeing that this one 95% people are not subscribed and 4% people only subscribed people are there. Okay. If you are watching this video, right, if a small comment also, then it will be boost. We have so many videos. We are every day and weekly twice or thrice we are updating the automation tools and excel. Whatever important topics we are discussing every day, it is useful. Whoever want, that is it is a free. Just you can update the comment as it is nice, or whatever you updated that comment, and that will be boost. Click on like. Okay, let's get our video start. Now day 3 is the nested object. Day 2 we are I already explained day 2. If you go to this arrays and object, in that clearly I am explaining the object. uh, Now day 3 is the nested object. Nested object means object inside the another object. That is a nested object. Okay. Object inside another object, it's called as nested object. Okay, we will start with our TypeScript program. Yesterday program only we will take that one. Okay. And I will open the TypeScript dot uh, org, that official website only, and this is a playground. Okay. Yesterday program, just I will read it. If you see this one, let laptop is the object, one object. Okay. And laptop equal to open bracket, and here in that inside the object, laptop color, laptop power, how will come power charger, laptop keys, 100 cases are there. Okay. And now 103, it's coming mouse also. Okay. Mouse pointer. Now if this is a one object, here in that inside the laptop we have a Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and that OneNote, everything is there, right? Okay. Now this is a laptop is one object. Inside the laptop another object is there, that is a Microsoft. Okay. And Excel version 2023, in OneNote installed. Okay. If it is inside the laptop, notepad also there, right? Okay. mm, just I will give that uh, pad is to note notepad. So many objects are there. Whatever you want, you have to try it. Okay. Then you will get clear. Okay. Now we have to print it first. Console.log laptop. Okay. Laptop means it's all together, uh, all the methods, all the object, whatever inside the object or outside the object, all the details whatever we mentioned, it is updated. Now we, and another one is the console.log laptop.microsoft. Here Microsoft we have three uh, inside the object: Excel version 2013 and OneNote installed, notepad. Okay. Now if we click on the run button, right, first console.log laptop, right, if you click on the run button, here laptop color silver, laptop power charger, laptop keys 103, and Microsoft inside the object also it is printed. Okay. Inside the object. Why? Because this object is the main functionality. object, whatever object inside the object also, whatever it is there, it is printed. Even though if it is another object also there, total everything is printed here. Okay. Now second option I have asked that is the console.log laptop.microsoft excel version. Here excel version is 2013. Okay, it is printed as 2013. Now I need OneNote installed or not. I need to print that one, only that one only. Okay, console.log, I will clear it first. Okay, it is cleared, right? Console.clear. Now console.log, first object is laptop dot, and another object is Microsoft. If you click on the dot, right, you will get all this. Okay, now pad, or yeah, or OneNote, right? OneNote will got. Okay, now I need only that functionality. This one I will backslash, I am giving backslash. Okay, now I'm clicking, sorry, last one we need to write, right? Okay, clicking run, it is here also clear it, right? That's it. Okay, if you see this one, Microsoft dot OneNote is installed or not, it is showing as a print installed. Okay, this nested object is the object inside another object, it is called as a nested object. Okay, now it is everyone understand, right? Okay, this is the concept. Okay,